My husband was really impressed. Our neighbors were really impressed. Overall, it was just a really great experience.
Okay, thank you, Yvette, for having us do your roof. So everybody, my name is Lara with Baja Roofing, and I'm here with Yvette, the homeowner in Chino Hills. And we just want to tell you a little bit about how we found each other, how we know each other, and why she chose us to do her roofing project. Can you explain a little bit to our viewers how your roofing process and project turned out?
It was extremely calm and pleasant. I'm not going to lie, we were a little bit concerned if it was going to be discouraging, chaotic. We have 2 children, we have 2 dogs. There was quite a few things that came into the equation, but you guys were very communicative. The project was extremely fast. Cleaning up every day after you guys were done for the day. My husband was really impressed with the updates as well. Overall, it was just a really great experience.
Yeah, and I think you guys were on vacation when we did the roof, correct?
Yeah, we weren't even home, so we got all of our notifications.
One of the key points that our company has is that live stream daily updates. So that was extremely helpful, and maybe gave you some peace of mind while you were out vacation, getting those daily notifications through Company Cam.
Yes, correct. Those photos were really helpful. It put my husband's mind at ease, mine as well, while we were on vacation. So we kind of didn't really have to worry about it. Our neighbors were really impressed, asking us about your guys' services. They were happy with how clean you guys were, how professional you guys were. No complaints whatsoever.
Perfect. And Yvette, tell me a little bit about what you do, your profession, and what you do for your clients.
I work in the restoration industry. We do environmental, asbestos, lead, mold removal, and all biohazard cleanups. We work with a lot of the same clientele, property managers, insurance carriers. And one of the reasons we chose you guys is you guys follow a lot of the same beliefs and mission statements that we follow as well at a business.
Yeah, and I believe one of the reasons that you found us was because we were referred to you. Is that correct?
Yes, you guys were referred to me from Reuben Properties. They're a great account of mine.
Shout out Heather.
Hey, Heather.
Hi, Michelle.
Yeah, I saw that you guys were doing some social media things. I had asked her about your guys' services. I think you guys have done a project or 2 for them. That was another win for me.
Yeah, and usually guys, we're seen as more of the commercial, industrial, HOA community side of a roofing company, but we also do residential houses. So working here with Yvette closely as a partner in CAI was a great turnout for us. I just know this is going to open up a lot more doors for us as well. Yvette, I'm glad you had a great experience as well, and thank you for trusting us to do your roof. Part of this roofing project is us not only replacing the roof, but also coming back after they had solar installed. So a lot of times there's some complications when a roofing project is done, and then solar comes in and punches a bunch of holes. So to keep Yvette's peace of mind, we're gonna come up, inspect it after the solar's been installed to make sure that there's not gonna be any problems for this upcoming El Nino year. Yvette, overall, your expectations of a roofing project, you said you're a little bit concerned regarding, all of the noise, maybe the dirt and debris. How was the cleanup on a daily basis? And when you returned back home, how was the cleanup for you?
It was like as if you guys were never here, to be quite honest. It was extremely clean. Like I said, we got good feedback from our neighbors that you guys had marked vehicles. Everyone had their t-shirts on. Everyone was very professional looking. You guys were extremely clean every day. The photos were great, professional, daily updates, and just extremely proud to have chosen you guys as our roofing contractor.
Awesome. Working with somebody like Yvette, she didn't just come in and look at the contract and not have any questions. I believe your husband and yourself asked very detailed questions, and that's very important when you're choosing the right roofing contractor, is to do your due diligence. Especially nowadays, you have your good friend ChatGPT. Get their contract uploaded to ChatGPT and make sure that there's nothing hidden in the fine print that can cause you some negative implications. Another thing that we pride our company in is making it as simple as possible to not only choose us from our reputation, but also deal with us after you sign the contract. How easy was it for you to not only get the contract signed, but also make payments throughout the duration of the project?
It was very easy. The simplicity of working with you guys was top notch. In the airport, got that first payment off. Once you guys were done, we got another notification. Final payment was due. We sent that off, and it was very, very easy. So we're very appreciative.
Awesome. As far as the transparency with our pricing, a lot of times some contractors get a bad rap for having some things hidden in the details of the roof and then big change orders happening during the actual roofing process. We list all of our wood replacement prices in the contract, but once your roof was actually torn off, What was the change order process like? Were you surprised at the change orders that came with your roofing project, or were you fairly happy with the overall process of that?
No, we were very happy. You gave us the heads up that there may be some hidden damage once the roof was replaced. You guys did reach out to us with some photos, with support of, hey, this is a minimal thing that needs to be redone. You guys handled it, we approved it, and the project moved forward.
Okay.
No surprises.
Compared to the other contractors and the other bids that you got, how did ours stack up? We like to provide you very comprehensive and detailed inspection reports. Was it to your liking? Is that what you were expecting? Or how did our overall proposal process stack up against our competitors?
I will be honest with you, we did get multiple bids, but you guys are a CAI partner and we really value in helping CAI partners out. So no, your pricing was great.
And then the overall proposal, was it very detailed? When we presented our proposal for you, was there any stones left unturned?
No, everything was presented in a professional manner. You brought out different samples of the roofing materials for us to choose from, different colors. You gave us pictures, you gave us a contract, you gave us before photos of what our roof looked like prior to utilizing you guys. So no, every rock was unturned and we're very happy.
And working with a family-owned and operated company compared to a corporate company, are you glad you made the choice to work with a small family company?
100%, absolutely. We're very happy to help Baja Roofing out.
But otherwise, Yvette, after your whole experience working with Baja Roofing, would you refer us to your friends and family?
Absolutely, 100% hands down. I would definitely recommend Baja Roofing. Zero complaints. You guys were awesome.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Jeremy.